Okay, hi students. Okay, today we will enter a new chapter. Okay, the last chapter, which is chapter 8, word problems that involving the for operation. Okay, what is the meaning for operation? That means that involve plus, minus, times, and divide. Okay, so this is for operation. Now, let us read word together. We are learning to do two-step word problems involving the for operations. Okay, so we are learning to do two-step of word problems. So in one word problem, okay, there are two steps. Okay, so that means may involve two operation. Okay, so let us read. The first I can is I can identify keywords and information. Okay, so this is the first thing you need to do. Okay, so you need to identify the keywords and information. If you see keywords, please circle the keywords. If you read the information, please underline. Okay, now the second one is I can draw the bar model. Okay, after you identify keywords and information, draw the bar model. And the third one, I can solve the word problems. Okay, so now let us look at the first question. Okay, look at the first question. Now this question is from the pupils book. Okay, so you can take out your pupils book and turn to page 147. Okay, pupils book 147. Now let us recall back. Okay, so the first question is Hui Ting had $435. This is the first sentence. Now the first sentence, can you see any information here? Okay, the information is $435 belongs to who? It belongs to Hui Ting. Okay, so this is the information. Hui Ting had $435. Now, this is the first information. Now, let us look at the second. Ian gave her $326 more. Ian gave her $326 more. So, is there any information here? Okay, the information is Ian gave her another $326 more. Okay, give to Hui Ting. So this is the information, the second information. Now, after that, then we go to the question. Okay, so A, how much did Hui Ting have altogether? Okay, so altogether, that means you know that it is plus. Now student, when you read the word problems, when they ask you the question altogether, please remember student, altogether. Okay, sometimes it can be times, sometimes it can be plus. Now, how you know that is times? Okay, so by the time when you read the question, okay, when you read the question, you found out there the information have group and per group. Group and per group. Okay, so when you see this group and per group, when you read the information and they ask you the question all together, that means it's times. But when you look at this question, okay, there's no group and per group. It's more direct. So you know that all together means plus. So when you look, when you see there is a keywords, please circle and then plus, do like this. Okay, so now, so we go through one by one question. Okay, so after that, then you can start to draw. So all together, that means they plus. So how you going to draw the bar model? Hui Ting, at first she has $435, and Ian gave her another 326. Gave her another a bit shorter. Okay, so make sure when you draw 435 is a bit longer, it's longer than 326, right? Because it's more than 326. So how much did Hui Ting have all together? So okay, need to plus. Okay, that is the first question A. Alright, so 435. Student, don't forget to write dollar. Okay, you need to write the symbol. Don't forget. Okay, so 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then 4 plus 3 is 7. 761. Now, let us look at the question B. Hui Ting spent 546 on an oven. Hui Ting spent $546 on an oven. Means she spent. Alright. How much did she left? Now, is there any keywords here? Yes, left. What is the meaning left? Mean you need to minus. Remember, keywords you need to circle. So, how to draw the bar model? Okay, so the bar model, okay, this is A, B. Okay, so some of the students, they straight away can find out the answer. They take this answer and then minus $546. Okay, so but I encourage you, okay, to draw the bar model of each questions. Okay, so if minus, okay, so this is the money that belong to Hui Ting. How much? $761. Okay, 700. Okay, so she spent $546. So she spent some 546 from her money. So that means this part, okay, this part is she spent $546. How much did she left? So this part is left. Okay, so this is how you draw your bar model. So you can minus 761 minus 546. Okay, so 1 cannot minus 6. So 1, you need to borrow from the neighbor. Okay, borrow here, it become 5. This one will become 11. So 11 minus 6 is 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, so 7 minus 5 is 2. So she left $215. Students, please remember, okay, when you do the working, okay, don't forget to write down the symbol. Okay, this dollar is very important because the end of the answer, okay, if you just write 761, okay, it is wrong because 761, this is $761 and 761 is different. So make sure when you write the end of the answer, you need to write down the symbol. The symbol is very important. Okay, students?